In this video, I will show you how to wrap around the routed edge. So you don't have to have a square edge to apply this product. First of all, I'm going to cut in parallel to one of the sides and cut the film all the way out to the edge and kind of tack that other, the cut piece. You can kind of roll it around and attach it to the existing film, and then you kind of squeegee down the first corner there. See what I'm doing here with the sharp side of the squeegee? I'm pushing down the film into that ridge. I'm doing the same thing with the other corner or other edge, kind of going down to make sure that I'm not going to have any air in that channel. Once that is done, I'm going to cut in the top part of the edge. I'm going to cut a small section out and I'm kind of wrapping it around so the top part of the groove is done. Now you start going around the rounded part once you're done with that. So you kind of with your thumb, you kind of go down and push gently that film all the way around. Now I'm cutting the bottom off just because it's on my way. Eventually I'm going to wrap it underneath. Next step is to cut off the piece that's the rounded part of the edge. So you cut in again from the very corner all the way out. You see I'm overlapping this edge just to give it more support and actually make it less visible. I'm using a heat gun. I'm heating it up a little bit so it will be soft and stretch really well, so I can kind of stretch it and go around it. You see, it's nice and snug all the way around that corner. Here I'm heating the rest of the corner. I'm heating it up again. Although this is the straight cut, I still like to kind of stretch it a little bit just to make it really tight around that corner. The next step, you're gonna cut. You just wrap around enough, you know, just your seam will not be in the corner. And what I'm doing here is I'm actually cutting along with the pattern, so the seam will be less visible to the eye. I mean, if you do take a close look, you're definitely gonna see it, but it's not the point. I mean, we make it, the film is so thin that you can easily make it look like it's never been cut or overlapped. Next step I'm doing, I'm cutting in the corners on a 45-degree angle and I'm wrapping it underneath. Once I'm done with getting this film underneath the surface, this whole corner is done, or the whole project. And check it out. I mean, it really looks good. You can't do this with any thick laminate or sheet laminate product. It wraps nicely around any corner or any edge. The end result is perfect.